Hey, fellow green thumbs and aspiring gardeners. So, are you ready once again to add one of the most essential and rewarding crops to your home garden? Well, I'm talking about garlic, that pungent, flavorful superstar that is surprisingly easy to grow even for the beginners. So, in this complete guide, we are going to break down everything you need to know to grow your own beautiful and bountiful garlic harvest from planting to curing. So, stick around because by the end of this video, you will be ready to plant your first cloves. So, in the first part, we will see that why grow your own garlic when it can be easily available in the markets. Well, so for starters, the flavor of homegrown garlic is unparalleled. It is more often potent, fresher, and you get to choose from a wider variety than your local grocery store offers. Plus, it is incredibly satisfying to harvest something you have grown yourself. It is also great, space sufficient crop that stores well, giving you a taste of your garden all year round. Now, before we plant, you need to choose your garlic type, Hardneck or Softneck. So Hardneck garlic varieties typically grow a rigid central stalk, producing scapes. Those delicious cauliflower stalks you can harvest and eat. They are known for rich, complex flavors and are generally better suited for colder climates when they need a hard freeze. Well, as for the Softneck garlic, that doesn't produce a scape or a hard central stalk. This makes them ideal for breeding and generally better for warmer climates, and they tend to store longer than hardnecks. When buying, always choose seed garlic from a reputable grower, not grocery store garlic, which might be treated to inhibit sprouting. So garlic is largely a fall planted crop. The best time to plant is typically in the fall, about 6 to 8 weeks before your ground freezes solid. This gives the roots time to establish before winter, setting the stage for strong bulb development in spring. As for where, garlic needs full sun, at least 6 to 8 hours daily. It also loves well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. So if you have heavy clay, amend it generously with compost. A pH between 6 to 7 is ideal. Raised beds are fantastic for garlic as they ensure good drainage. Now for the fun part, planting. Firstly, gently break your garlic bulb into individual cloves. Keep the papery skin on each above clove. Don't peel them. Plant each clove about 4 to 6 inches deep with the pointed end facing up and the flat root end facing down. Space them about 4 to 6 inches apart in rows that are 12 inches apart. After planting, water them in well. Then apply a generous layer of mulch, about 4 to 6 inches of straw or shredded leaves. This insulates the soil, suppresses weeds and maintains moisture. Throughout winter, your garlic will likely just be chilling under the mulch. In spring, you will see green shoots emerge. So keep the bed well weeded as garlic doesn't like competition. Water consistently, especially during dry spells in spring and early summer, aiming for about an inch of water per week. If you are growing hardneck varieties, you will see scapes appear in late spring or early summer. Snap this off when they have curled once. This diverts energy back into the bulb, makes it larger. Plus, those scapes are delicious. So now finally it's the harvest time. You will know your garlic is ready when the bottom 2-3 leaves have turned yellow or brown, but the top 3 to 4 leaves are still green. This usually happens in early to mid-summer. So don't wait until all the leaves are brown or your bulbs might split. Gently loosen the soil around the bulbs with a garden fork and carefully pull them out. Avoid pulling by the stem directly as it can separate. So once harvested, the crucial step is curing. Brush off excess dirt but don't wash them. Hang your garlic in a well ventilated, dry and shady area for 2 to 4 weeks. This allows the wrappers to dry and harden, preserving your garlic for long-term storage. And there you have it, your very own harvest of delicious homegrown garlic. It is incredibly rewarding, and once you start, you will never go back to store-bought. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more gardening tips, and let me know in the comments what is your favorite way to use garlic. And happy planting!